So I just came to the realization that I am probably the most peak celebrity status I will ever be at this point in my life right now, because this baby doesn't want to be anywhere else. He doesn't nap in his crib. He knows the second that he's put down in his crib, he naps on me. And I have realized that he is literally obsessed with me. So I'm just gonna enjoy that, and the feeling of being that famous is like unreal. He can't even speak words to me, but I know, even when he's awake, his eyes are on me. I mean, I must be insanely beautiful. My voice must be the best voice in the world. I don't even know, but is this how famous people feel? Because I'm there. I've got one crazy fan. He's literally stalking me all the time. And he doesn't like to be anywhere but with me. So, can I empathize with people that are famous? I'll try to stay humble, but yeah, I can.